Hi, in this video I'll show you how to make an adjustable high current power supply based on the LM317 and the current boosting PNP bipolar transistor, the TIP147, which can handle up to 10 amperes. At the input you can have anywhere from about 5 volts to that 5 maximum and 10 amperes, and you can get anywhere from about 1.5 to that 2 volts and 10 amperes maximum. Don't forget to mount the power transistor on a heatsink. The resistor R1 should be set in a manner such that when a sufficient current flows through, the voltage drop across the resistor should be enough to turn on the TIP147 and allow the extra current to flow through it. The output capacitor C1 acts as a filtering capacitor to stabilize the output voltage. The output voltage is determined by the ratio of the resistors R2 and the potentiometer. And by varying this potentiometer, you can alter the output voltage anywhere from about 1.5 volts up to the input voltage minus about 2.5 volts. You can adjust R1 to any value, but just ensure that the LM317 can output a maximum of about 1.5 amperes. Select the value of R1 in a manner such that when about half an ampere flows through, the TIP147 will conduct and bypass all the extra currents. The PCB I have developed for the project is as shown. Here you have your input and this is the output, the potentiometer for adjusting the output voltage, the output filtering capacitor, the resistors for setting the output voltage together with the potentiometer, the current sensing resistor, the LM317 and the bypass transistor, the TIP147. And the board looks as shown in 3D view. The input, the output and the bottom. Thank you for watching and I hope you like this video. If so, make sure to give it a like, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, check some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice time.